In the heart of the Cold War, a game of shadows and intrigue unfolded, as superpowers vied for global influence. The Soviet Union and the United States, locked in a tense standoff, sought to extend their reach without direct confrontation. Enter the Cold War proxy wars. The first dance commenced in Korea, on the Asian peninsula divided at the 38th parallel. The North, a communist state backed by the Soviet Union, and the South, a democracy supported by the United States, clashed in a bitter conflict that shook the world from 1950 to 1953. The Korean War was just the beginning. The Soviet Union, seeking to spread communism, found fertile ground in Southeast Asia. In 1954, Vietnam was divided at the 17th parallel, with the North under communist rule and the South, backed by the United States, declaring its independence. As the Cold War deepened, the dance of shadows moved to Latin America. Cuba, a strategic island nation in the Caribbean, became a pawn in the game. In 1959, Fidel Castro's communist revolution ousted the U.S.-backed government, leading to a tense standoff between the two superpowers. The Cuban Missile Crisis, a pivotal moment in the Cold War, unfolded in 1962. The Soviet Union, seeking to counter American missile bases in Turkey, placed nuclear missiles in Cuba. The world held its breath as the two superpowers teetered on the brink of nuclear war. In Africa, the dance continued. The Congo, rich in resources and strategically located, became a battlefield in the Cold War. In 1960, the newly independent nation descended into chaos, with the Soviet Union and the United States supporting opposing factions in a brutal civil war. The dance of shadows in the Cold War was a complex, dangerous dance. With stakes high and tensions running high, the world watched as superpowers manipulated nations and played with fire. The Cold War proxy wars left lasting scars on the world, a testament to a time when the fate of nations hung in the balance.